Okay, this is Dad making his tool thingy. Hey, Dad.
Hey, kiddo.
This is his tool thingy.
What we're doing is we're pressing the pins out of the clutch hub assembly so I can get the starter wheel off and replace the starter wheel. And what I'm using is a Allen tip screw head and little tiny earth magnets to hold it in place. This is what is 7/32?
Okay, one moment. Can I quickly look at that
Yeah.
to show him? That's what it is.
Yep, that's what it is. All right. So with the little earth magnets, I put it on the side of it to hold it in place on the shop press.
Ta-da!
And then I put impact sockets around on the metal of the starting gear. And then what we're trying to do is we're trying to keep this level. Come around the other side, kid.
Okay, sorry.
Try to keep this level and have it come down level.
Also, we might be doing some
And
crashing random thing videos.
Okay. All right. So I lined it up.
Okay, we're in. See that?
I think it's pretty square.
Okay.
Put a little bit of lube on it.
Wow, that's pretty.
And so now
I'm not kidding.
Where-
Those are bubbles.
we start the press. Now everything has to be squared up, and I don't want it to rub against these gears to mess these gears up. So there's just a little bit of space there. And it took me a while to get it the first time. It didn't work out so well.
Oop, we're cracking.
Yep.
I literally see a crack
Where?
right there.
Oh my gosh. We broke it.
Everybody see that line?
Alright, it's garbage.
Well,
Now we're just doing it just to say we did it. Because that part's broken and now I'm going to have to start over. I have to buy that part now too.
okay.
Alright.
Don't make the same mistake we did, okay?
Which mistake was that? What did I do
Crack
wrong?
it.
Well, how did I crack it? What could I have done better?
I don't know.
Me either.
Natalie could have said I have no idea.
Who?
Natalie.
Natalie would have said you had no idea?
You had no. And neither do I. And Natalie's older than me. Oh, also we have this light right here.
I'm going to press it all the way out.
All the way. That's a horrible sound.
We'll do some research and see if it's garbage or what. You don't like that sound?
Not much.
Here.
Are things under them we have to have?
What's that?
I'm pretty sure the things right here we have to have.
Oh yeah, those got to be there.
Yeah, so 2 of those under there, and you'll be all set.
Really? Is that all I need? So, buttons. How do they get stuck in there?
You're banging it down. Why would you?
I gotta. There you go.
Sorry, I'm getting distracted.
Alright. So, that's how I drove a pin out. Alright, you can stop the video.